Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Carla and I am with Feline. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a brand I absolutely love. It's Catit. They now do food. I have done reviews of some of their other products. This one is their chicken dinner. Again, I cannot stress enough, always read the ingredients in whatever you feed your animal. It never should have byproducts or derivatives. Let's see how she likes this, shall we? That was my review of Catit's chicken dinner. I hope you enjoyed that as much as she obviously did. More information about me can be found on my Facebook page and my website. I additionally have an email list if you like updates once a month. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave any comments below. Full details are in the description. I thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day and bye-bye.